Hello guys, today I'm going to show you and tell you actually if there is any application that which is compatible with your JBL Partybox on the Go 2 on your iPhone. So actually, yes, there is. And no, this is not JBL Portable, this is not JBL Headphones. This is the separate application, or just the third application that I know from the JBL to the devices. And if we open the App Store and go into the search and search for JBL Partybox, not KNL, it's JBL actually, but as you can see here, JBL Partybox. This is the application. Using this application, we can modify all the settings and change them up to our own preferences. If you want to know how to do so, you can check out me because I have a video for that. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.